Protocol team, lead the next aspirant to the commission. Protocol team, lead the next aspirant to the commission. Protocol team, please lead the next aspirant to the commission. Let him come. They don't want him to hold there because he's going to address a press conference.
No, he's going to come in. They're waiting for the other delegation to come. Then they can move it together. Waiting for other delegation to be 20. I think they come in different vehicles, so and then they come. Yeah, but they said it will follow 2 minutes, but they'll be coming in.
Protocol team, please lead the next aspirant to the commission. The next aspirant is walking in. The next aspirant is walking in. The next aspirant is walking in. Members of the press, please give way to the next aspirant, Mr. Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu. The next aspirant, Mr. Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu of the National Unity Platform, is the one that is coming in, Lord Chair and Commission. Please, protocol, lead the next aspirant to where they should sit. And members of the press, please take your spots where you should be. Members of the press, be where you have always been. You may take your seats, please. Lord Chairperson and members of the Commission, Lord Chair, I hand over to you to take forward this process that you have invited your guest for. Thank you.
Our next aspirant, with your entourage, you're welcome to Luweza Lubowa EC grounds. Without much ado, I'd like to invite you or your agent to bring forward your papers, your nomination papers for scrutiny and verification. Your agent. Thank you. The nominator, can you stand up, please? Nantumbwe Jen, is she here? Nominator. Seconder, Jago Fred, the seconder. All right. You can remain seated. Okay.
To the people who may be joining this occasion for the first time, here and online, we are at the EC grounds in Rubowa, Rweza, in Makinde Sabagabo. And this place is the first permanent home for the headquarters of the Electoral Commission in Uganda. And going forward, this is going to be the venue, the place where presidential candidates are nominated, and the set for this 2025-2026 general election being the first ones that have been nominated from grounds that belong to the Electoral Commission, that belong to the people of Uganda, because this is your commission, this is your Electoral Commission. And so those who are watching online and following on TV and other platforms, the Commission has now instructed the technical teams here to verify and check all the particulars that are required of an aspirant for presidential elections, to participate in the presidential elections as a candidate. So that's what the Commission has asked the teams here that are from the legal department of the Commission, the voter data management department, election management, field operations, to check those particulars that are required. And they are checking those particulars which the aspirant was informed to bring as they submit their nomination papers. The nomination form filled in triplicate, 3 copies, a declaration of consent that the aspirant consents to being nominated, confirming that the aspirant is a registered voter, is a citizen of Uganda by birth, and confirming, as the Commission said, as required by the law, that the aspirant has got the minimum academic qualifications, that they have attained at least advanced level standard or senior 6. So they're checking to confirm that the aspirant went to school. They're also confirming and checking those other particulars. The certificate